How to change the screen auto lock time duration on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And from the home screen, tap on Settings. Now in the Settings page, we scroll down and then tap on Display and Brightness. After that, we scroll down, then tap on Auto Lock. From here, you can choose between 30 seconds and 5 minutes or never. So here, go down the list and select either 30 seconds, 1 minute, 2, 3, 4, or 5 minutes, or never. So here, if I select 1 minute and I go back, and then I will swipe up, so the screen will not automatically lock until after 1 minute. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for my videos.